Hello. Today we have more information, new information from Lantos, again speaking about the coronavirus, COVID-19. Since that is on everybody's mind, Cindy asked Lantos if there was anything else that we should be doing at this time for the coronavirus. Here is what Lantos said. Flames purify. The phoenix flames purify the physical structure. Flame by flame, the physical structures ignite under the brilliant radiance of the energy of the source. As each gate opens, pure flames of the phoenix permeate the material form, releasing toxins and eliminating residues. The process is sequential. Though the process may occur in rapid succession, the energy travels sequentially, passing through each gate. This process is the sequence of regeneration of the phoenix. Forms ignite. Old residues disintegrate. The physical structure transforms when exposed to the supreme radiance of the 9 phoenix flames. This is the action to release the most aggressive remains of the earthly residues. These residues seek to preserve their existence. As the residue feels the momentum generated through the uprising wave of the enlivenment of initial rotations, it begins to shake. The deepest residues begin to shake. This shaking signals the residue that its existence is threatened. If the number of songs would be sufficient, then these dominant earthly residues would be released rapidly, greatly reducing the ability to retaliate. It is a struggle of the negativity. The toxic forces, the major residues of Earth, feel the vibrations generated through the uprising of initial rotations. These residues then seek to enter the world and attach themselves to form. Dear ones, you see now the reason for the urgency of the spread of the song. It is like the antibiotic. It must come with a flood in order to prevent the uprising of the opposition. The battle is substantially reduced when there is sufficient quantity in the environment. 1 million songs. This is the prescription for Earth. 1 million songs. In this way, the battle is won without much casualty, without much loss. The phoenix flames will aid the individual in eliminating any energy or substance which attaches to the physical form. It also eliminates the forces which attach to the emotional and higher spiritual forms. The golden gate will aid and protect the household. Passing under the radiant golden gate, as one enters the house, as one departs, a radiant shield forms for the individual, for protection. The golden pendant of eternal light increases the presence of initial rotations. The bio-oscillator is also effective in disrupting the attachment of negativity on multiple layers of form. These are our precious tools. With these tools, we will continue to eliminate residues as they emerge. Yet, this is very important. Yes, it is very important to understand that the singular, most effective remedy is the vast spread of the song on Earth. While the specialized antibiotic is in short supply, one must look to prop up the physical system by applying other means of support. The alternative supplements offer assistance as one continues to fight off the toxins. We have been given these tools through the highest grace of the great beings of light. Each tool offers us the means to proceed. We are now experiencing the physical transformation of the earth to support the eon of eternal light. Take up these precious tools and perform the treatments upon the world map. The phoenix flame may also be applied to the world map, for there exists also the 9 gates within the form of Earth. Morning, and evening. The form of the 9 Phoenix Gate is emerging in the coming weeks. The Phoenix flames will bring great assistance to the individuals and to the earth. Very good. Many blessings. So he gave us more information, a deeper understanding. We already knew from what he had said back in January that this disease, this coronavirus, was caused by negativity within the earth that came out of the earth and decided it wanted to prolong its existence. So it transformed itself into a toxin that could attach itself to individuals, creating this disease. So we already knew that, but he gave us more understanding of it. So from this message, what do we see? Well, we see his recommended techniques for eliminating the disease and protecting ourselves from the disease, and helping when we are exposed to this disease to have it, well, to get rid of it. The single most important thing that he said was the Song of the Spheres. Having as many people spinning the Song of the Spheres as possible. This is the most important thing. So for you, with your Song of the Spheres, what do? You make sure that you use it every morning, every evening, enlivening your I am seeds in the daily seed, and then your reflective seeds at night. This is something you do every single day with the song. The Phoenix Gate. This is the new tool that is coming in the next few weeks. What Lantos said about the Phoenix Gate, remember, he said, as each gate opens, pure flame of the phoenix permeate the material form, releasing toxins and eliminating residues. Forms ignite. Old residues disintegrate. The physical structure transforms when exposed to the supreme radiance of the 9 phoenix flames. And that this is going to impact not only you, but also the earth. There is a way, and we don't know what it is, but of course we will get the instructions for you. There is a way to enliven the 9 phoenix flames for Earth itself. So this is another technique. And Lantos specifically said about the Phoenix Gate and enlivening the 9 phoenix flames that this was the technique that would target the most severe negativities on Earth, the deepest negativity, the deepest toxins, the deepest residues within the earth, that the Phoenix Flame would help with that. As always, we already know the very great importance of the Golden Gate, which provides protection for all members of the household, shielding someone, every member of the household, with a radiant cloak of protection. He called it a radiant shield in this particular message. The golden pendant of eternal light, we have that now. That is brand new. We understand that that is the embodiment of seed number 51, the research. Solid form sinks, transforming toxins into nectar. And then he also said the biooscillator, being very effective at removing toxins on many different levels. Biooscillate yourself, biooscillate the map, and from his previous instructions, we make sure when we biooscillate the map to have a tool of initial rotations on the map with the tool when we're using the biooscillator. So that would be the pendant of eternal light, or the Song of the Spheres, or the medallion. Any of those, place it on the map of the world. And previously he has focused on maps of individual countries. Today, in this message, he spoke about the map of the world. So if you have a world map, go ahead and use the biooscillator on the world map itself. Okay, everyone. Thank you for joining me today. This is a very important period of time for all of us to be doing everything we can, not only for our own protection and the protection of our family and our friends, but also to help everybody else in the earth itself. Lantos, back in January, said that this is our call at this time. So we go ahead and follow through with what we're supposed to do at this time. Okay, everyone. Thanks for joining me today. I'll talk with you again soon.